Good morning, guys. This is the fourth day of our trip, so I'm now going to the surfing X lessons. It's a short walk. I'm running late, so you can see. So I'll keep you posted, guys, how it goes. It's a surfing lesson for first time, so it'll be a good experience. So I've reached the meeting point. So now I'll be transferred to the beach. There is a pickup over here, so I'm here. I've just texted it on the WhatsApp group, so someone will reply back where should I go. There are still 4 more 10 minutes, so I'm not late. I had a lovely experience, surfing experience first time. Was fun. Only stood up for 1 second, but it was worth it. So this is the surf school. I would highly recommend. So I'm back at the same spot. So the driver left me here. The beach was really good. I'll post some photos. Really lovely experience. It's Saturday. So many people out here. Very touristy place. Should definitely try the surfing experience. It's really worth it. Hey guys, so मैंने haircut कर लिया है. There was a shop nearby and it was empty, so I had my haircut. Feeling very light now and had a good bath as well. So had my lunch. I'm going around streets again to find something shopping. This is called shopping. Mercado de Polo. It's the market area. Really cool. Coolest market area which I've seen in Europe till now. अब मैं आया हूँ इस बढ़िया से पार्क में. मस्त बड़ा सा स्ट्रक्चर है यहाँ पर. So went to a shopping center, bought a polo. That's all. Going back to the hotel now. Not hotel, apartment. Palacio de Cristal. Came to this lovely park. Yep, that's the Dome Arena. I'm not gonna go inside. I'll just walk around. Nice greenery park. So that's the museum. It's closed now. I'm too late. I won't be going in anyways.